Hey everybody, if you watch this, this is my '05 Avalanche. The wife just had it wrapped for me. I put tires and wheels on it. The lift, it came with it. I've owned the truck 14 years now. It has 225,000, still runs great. Doesn't smoke. Only thing I've done to it, bug shield, nice heavy bumper. Got rid of that big piece of plastic. This one's called a move. Put my lights on it, little fog lights. Got a 20-inch light bar in the bumper. Got the one on the roof. I'm fixing to put a new one because that one's faded. Had the interior reupholstered. Went with a gray material instead of the leather. I just reupholstered. Well, I didn't reupholster it. The wife bought me some camouflage seat covers for it. Really clean truck. She makes me keep it that way. Came out awesome, I think. Let me know what you guys think.